Everyone, my name is Corey. I'm with Electra Sales, and today I wanted to bring you a quick video talking about Smartwood Blinds by Lutron products. Some of the things we'll review in this video are the features and benefits of the product, power and aesthetic options, specifications, as well as integration and marketing solutions. The difference between Lutron and its competitors within the space can be found on both the software and hardware side. Natural light optimization featuring Façade Finder, privacy through scheduling utilizing Fade Finder, user-friendly app interface, as well as integration features. As far as the product itself, it's a smooth manual lift, precision tilt alignment, quiet, made with real American basswood, with a 2 to 5 year battery life and easy to change battery compartments. So let's move on to the features and benefits of the product itself. Natural light optimization, otherwise known as NLO, utilizes the date, time, location, and facade to automatically adjust the blinds throughout the day to the optimized amount of natural light within the space. Please keep in mind the natural light optimization does not account for any weather activity. So the way this works is essentially once you set up your date and time location settings, it will determine where the sun is throughout the day, and those blinds will automatically tilt themselves to allow for the perfect amount of natural light within the space. And at the end of the day, you will get complete privacy when the blinds automatically tilt themselves to the closed position. Natural light optimization featuring Façade Finder. The way Façade Finder works is it uses the compass in your phone to identify which directions the blinds are facing. So once the NLO is enabled, all of the schedules will be created automatically. The end user will be able to go in and adjust the start and end times for once the NLO is active. Moving on to the Fade Finder is essentially controlling the amount of sunlight within the space. So based on the NLO settings that you've entered, once the sun is shining directly on those blinds, the blinds will automatically tilt themselves into the Fade Finder position, going to be blocking out any UV rays that could be coming in and damaging any of the furnishing, artwork, or flooring within that space. And as mentioned before, that natural light optimization also has a privacy setting so that once the sun goes down at the end of the day, you will get instant privacy when all the blinds tilt to close. Now let's move on to the power and aesthetic options that we have available. For power options, we have a battery solution, we have a wired solution, and manual solution. Let's get into the specifics of the battery. We do depend on the width of the blinds for what type of battery, as well as how many you'll be using. So the blind width in 20-inch to 28-inch, you're looking at 12 AA batteries. A 28-inch to 42-inch, you're looking at 4 D-cell batteries. And 42 to 72, you're looking at 8 D-cell batteries. Keep in mind the standard battery life is 2 to 5 years. There is a battery boost mode available that will give the customer a 7.5-year rate. Valance Styles, we have two different Valance Styles. There's the Eston Valance and there's a Morgan Valance. Painted or stained finishes. Below you can see the Arctic White, Soft White, Mist Gray, and Stone Gray for the painted finishes, and Light Oak, Walnut, Red Mahogany, and Dark Walnut for the stained finishes. Let's move on to the specifications of the product itself. It does not matter whether it is a battery or wired powered. The maximum and minimum width and height will be the same for both. So your minimum width is going to be 20 inches, maximum width would be 72 inches, minimum height would be 12 inches, maximum height would be 72 inches. Moving on to the mounting options we have available for the product, there is an outside mount. And the way that you would get these measurements is you would need one measurement for the width and one measurement for the height. On each of those, you're going to round up to the nearest eighth of an inch. We do have the possibility to do an outside mount above the window trim as well. You're going to typically add 3 inches for the height of that frame, and you will need to include the 3/8 spacers that are provided with the product. Moving on to the inside mount option. I do like to think of this like a tic-tac-toe board. So essentially we're going to need 3 measurements on width, top, middle, and bottom, and 3 measurements on height from left to right. The reason we do this is essentially windows are not completely square. If there's any bowing in the windows, Lutron will be able to account for that. And keep in mind, Lutron will automatically deduct a 1/4 inch per side to allow for light gaps. You can also use multiple blinds under one valance. So just keep in mind that the maximum length for this is 144 inches for one valance. Moving on to optional add-ons that we do have hold-down brackets available. Where you would use these is essentially any door-mounted applications, or I would say high movement areas where there's lots of air traffic, and you don't want those blinds moving back and forth, banging against the windows. We do also have additional 3/8 spacers available for the outside mount above trim application as well. Also keep in mind that these products do work as a standalone solution as well. If you use the new wood blinds Pico, you will be able to use these products as standalone without having to set up any of the app features. The nice part about the new wood blinds Pico, as you can see on the screen there, is it's got all the engravings, very easy to see, and as you all know, the Pico is a very reliable product for us. Moving on to integration and marketing solutions. For integration, unfortunately at this time, at launch, it will not integrate with Apple HomeKit. However, we do integrate with Google and Alexa. So as you can see below, there is a various list of voice commands that you can use for voice control. And this will just allow you to give the flexibility of how you'd like to have the blinds look within the space. Moving on to our marketing solutions we have available, there is the Wood Blinds Collection Binder, which includes 2 swing decks of all the wood sample finishes, one for painted and one for stained. You get 2 valance samples, as well as a side insert for brochures. Marketing assets that we do have available for this product as well. The Lutron Wood Blinds brochure we expect to be out soon. Includes the QR code to the Wood Blinds benefits video, Lutron battery powered wood blinds binder, as well as the Serena wood blinds benefits video, which showcases the natural light optimization technology and product features. If you get a quick second, I'd strongly encourage you to head over to Lutron's YouTube channel and check out the Serena wood blinds benefits video. It does a great job of showcasing the natural light optimization tool in real time. So once again, thank you for taking time out of your day to view this video. If you have any questions, please let us know. You can get a hold of anyone at Electra Sales regarding this product or any other products that we rep. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you click that notification bell so that you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you very much for taking time to view this, and have a great day.